Hi everyone, I am here today at Panglao Vista Suites, the first condotel in Panglao, Bohol. This is an exciting investment opportunity in one of the country's top tourist destinations. Stay tuned as I take you around and show you why this place is a game changer for investors and travelers. This condotel is already fully operational with 221 units, offering a prime investment opportunity that hassle-free and income-generating. Each unit is 22 square meters, fully furnished, complete with a balcony, perfect for guests who want to enjoy the tropical vibe of Bohol. With 52 rooms per floor, a nightly rate of 3,500 and a high occupancy rate, you're looking at a solid and consistent return on investment. Plus, as an owner, you will get a 10 free night of stay per year. Just look at this, stylish, cozy, and ready for occupancy. The best part, you don't have to worry about managing your unit. SMS Hospitality takes care of everything, from bookings to maintenance, ensuring a seamless experience for both investors and guests. Now, here's the good news. We only have 5 units left in our inventory, and we're offering an exclusive promo. You can own a unit with just 100,000 down payment payable in 3 months. And guess what? You can start with an initial investment of just 30,000 pesos. This is the perfect long-term investment. No stress, no hassle. Just let your money grow while enjoying the passive income.